So Tiger, what are proper fractions?
Proper fractions are when the numerator is smaller than the denominator.
You got that. Let's work out some exercises. Write proper fraction for the pictures. Write proper fraction for the area shaded in purple. Here we have a total of 7 parts, out of which 3 parts are shaded in purple. So the proper fraction for the area shaded in purple is 3 by 7. Marvelous! Write proper fraction for the area shaded in blue.
Thank you for watching. Enroll now. To access all 184 videos totaling 16 hours and 38 minutes, featuring introductions, examples, and exercises for Grade 4 Math.